Hovering above the Great Ocean Road sits a black, robust structure hidden among the gum trees. Its aluminium-clad exterior explores different levels, angles and roof lines to complement and sit peacefully within its environment. However, the exterior of the house in many ways hides the true character of the home. It's only when you're invited inside that you see the rich personality of those who live here come alive. The interior takes notes from the surrounding bushland, indulging your senses with magnificently crafted timber. Spotted gum and blackbutt generously line the walls and lofty ceilings, while different tones of green dance playfully throughout the home, across doors, cabinetry, tiles and furniture. The rich palette of timber, green, brass and concrete brings a luxurious feeling, but with a relaxed practicality to make you feel instantly at ease. The scale of the home surprises you as it slowly continues to reveal itself as you move through its 4 levels. Perfectly positioned windows and doors capture multiple aspects towards the ocean and the bush, opening the house up to the outside while still maintaining its privacy. It was the quiet, laid-back lifestyle of Lorne and their mutual love of surfing that inspired Millie and Jack to build their dream home here. Together with their 2 children, Archer and Autumn, this family share an extreme love for the ocean, and being close to the surf was non-negotiable when deciding where to settle. Inspiration for the home was taken from nature. Jack and Millie wanted to ensure their new build would blend as best as it could into the natural landscape. While on the inside, they sought to bring attention to the view with a complementary palette, but also by creating moments to relax and simply enjoy the setting. The kitchen, perhaps Millie's favourite space in the home, overlooks the ocean and the bush simultaneously. It sets a relaxing backdrop to the otherwise busy, sometimes chaotic hub of the home. That's what makes this home so special. It truly feels alive, not just through the use of organic materials, but through the energetic nature of the entire family. Rooms are lived in, spaces are enjoyed. While energetic in its design, there is also a quiet essence to this home, reflecting the understated tone of Millie and Jack themselves. The lower level is filled with happy memories as family photos generously adorn the walls. This family not only love their home, but also the land in which it sits. They are not the kind of people to hibernate indoors or only enjoy the surf on good weather days. Every day is an opportunity to be outside and to live life to the fullest. Locations as beautiful as Lorne should be enjoyed. And it's so refreshing to see a young family proudly call this coastal town their home. Ocean Winds is one of many homes featured in my new book, Retreat, Inspired Homes and Ways of Living, available at all good bookstores, online and in store.